Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an incredible innovative project, Bolt.new. It's a fork by Medin, and if you are into an AI web development or both, you're going to love this one. So what is Bolt.new? Imagine having an AI-powered development environment that lets you build, edit, and deploy full-stack web applications entirely in your browser. Not only that, you can choose which large language model or LLM you want to power your development. Sounds amazing, right? Let me break it down for you. First, Bolt.new is built on the idea of integrating the best AI tools directly into a full stack development environment. It combines the power of cutting edge LLMs like OpenAI's GPT models, Anthropic's Claude, Grok, Llama, and even experimental ones like Gemini. The versatility of Stack Blitz web containers, which bring a complete development environment to your browser. This means you can create a React or Next.js app, install NMP packages, run Node.js backends, and even deploy all from your browser. No local setup required. Here is the magic. Traditional AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude are great at writing snippets of code, but they can't run that code for you or manage your development environment. With Bolt.new, the AI doesn't just generate code, it controls the entire environment. It installs dependencies, manages the file system, spins up servers, and even deploys your application. It's like having an AI-powered co-pilot for the entire app development lifecycle. And the best part, you are not tied into a single LLM. You can choose the model that best fits your needs. Prefer OpenAI for creative tasks or Anthropic for concise reasoning? Done. Want a local running model like Llama? That's supported too. It's even designed to make adding new LLMs as simple as editing a configuration file. Okay, so what can you actually do with Bolt.new? Here are just a few examples. First, you can rapid prototyping. Okay, so need to create a React app with a Tailwind CSS. Just prompt the AI, and it scaffolds everything for you in a second. Backend development. Set up a Node.js server, integrate APIs, and test endpoints, all without leaving your browser. Real-time collaboration. Share your development environment through a URL and collaborate with the teammates. Power debugging. Let the AI identify issues in your code and suggest fixes instantly. This tool is perfect for developers, PMs, and designers who want to turn ideas into a production-ready apps quickly and efficiently. One of the coolest aspects of Bolt.new is that it's completely open source. The community has contributed features like Docker support, integration with platforms like GitHub, and tools for syncing local files. It's constantly evolving, and you can even contribute to its development. So, in a nutshell, Bolt.new is an AI-powered development environment that makes building and deploying full-stack apps faster, smarter, and more accessible. Whether you are working on a solo project or collaborating with a team, this tool empowers you to bring your ideas to life like never before. If you are excited to try it out, check the link inside the description of this video to learn more or start building with Bolt.new today. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know inside the comments what would you like you to build with Bolt.new. See you in the next one.